Usembut Menteri Rangbak ke Meghalaya ubak Preston Tensong mentakasni ulai itu bakat jingkam jong katu kaningut kibrio bakat tem iewmawlong basyang basa ki metor kam de jong ka sorkar kalong ka babakla. Habakran kinong tokot kubor ubak Tensong ulai itu baki dulir ki pensisha bakate ka jaka kate ka jong Syiem ka Hima Mylliem baladon ka jing ya soy sekolah hapadeng ka Shillong Municipal Board bat Syiem ka Hima Mylliem ha ka snem khat kandai spa sang powai.
The Shillong Municipal Board 1954 go back to the agreement, whether the agreement is with the Harijan themselves or the agreement is with Shillong Municipal Board. If the agreement 1954 mentioned directly that the agreement was signed between the Syiem of Mylliem and the Harijan, I have nothing to say. But the agreement, I'm telling you, I've gone through, I've studied, I've checked. The original lease agreement signed was between the Syiem of Mylliem and the Shillong Municipal Board, which prove that the lands belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board. 2 crores, around 2 crores something. 2 crores something.
Ubat Tensong ula ongru baka jing penlong ya kabay election kam day ban pentut ya kata ka jing temu ban penkendria ya kitu ki basyang hatem metor ha iewmawlong.
Already sat. Cabinet has already sat once, and we are going to sit more times after the 30th of this month, after the by-election. So therefore, the allegation made by vested interest people, I think I will not listen, because these are only a political game made by some vested party or vested interest people, just like that. But from the government side, let me just tell you, we are sincere, and nobody did it during the Congress government. I was with Congress from 2003 till 2018, early 18. Nothing we discussed about this issue, but this government, from 18 when we took over the government, we started, constituted a committee, and also report has been submitted. And not only submitted, Cabinet has already discussed once. We are going to discuss more about the report, the recommendation made by the high level.